What is going on, my G's? It's no secret that we've just been busy running around, traveling a lot because we're getting into a lot of business. I'm gonna stop just being discreet, and I'm gonna tell you we went and invested in a company that makes textiles so we can make our own clothing line and just produce from the start because we're producing for others. Went to Mexico to look at a new watch line, went to Mexico to look at a shoe line, which is completely separate, and we have two companies that will be announced rather soon. So it's been non-stop. And the best thing about it is these are not just companies of me just doing everything by myself. I partner up with some fucking epic masters at their own craft. So what you'll see should be really exciting. I'm really excited to just show you guys that and bring you through all of that journey because I haven't seen anyone that used to drive cars showing you the car world from a whole new perspective that you've never seen. So that's where we're going with. So right now in my free time, what really gets me going and really brings me a lot of pleasure is helping out friends do something fun with their cars. It's no secret we've been helping out Federico trying to find the perfect car. So we came today to McKenna because they have a great variety of cars, BMWs, Audis, and Porsche, so that Federico can make his final walkthrough and then pick his car. So Federico's gonna meet us here right now. I'm very excited to see him, and let's see what we can find them. All right, boys, we're waiting on Federico to exit. Fargini's right here with me. Buddy's right here with us. So this is an
What, this is, oh, I thought this was Salamundo.
No. I'm also doing a Salamundo, by the way.
Oh,
yeah, because Federico's here. He speaks Spanish. I don't get too many chances at making videos in Spanish with people that actually speak Spanish.
Of course. See.
Boom.
See.
Ah, Jesus. We caught a wild Federico basically in the finance office. How you doing, buddy?
Great, man.
Are
a
you
little numb on my face. I just got out of the dentist.
Let me see.
Let's see. Go ahead.
No. We're gonna find you the cars. Mel right here has already prepped them all for you, so they're all parked in a lineup, and he's gonna walk us around to show us the whole place. That's a Turbo S exclusive.
There's also a GT2 RS.
I know. It's just like the one I ordered. So if you guys want to trade for mine, it's identical.
Too bad it's sold.
It's identical, Mel.
This one's getting picked up Wednesday morning. Oh my God.
Take a wild guess. How much is this GT2 RS?
200 grand? Damn!
Mel, do you think that fits in a $1,000 payment?
You can finance the bumper for that.
For the bumper, got it.
And then right here, this is a turbo exclusive series. This is the gold ones that they only made like 100 of. Look at this. Can I open it? Yeah. Ooh. You see, guys, this is crazy. I love the gold accents. Love the gold accents. Gold accents, gold stitching, Carbon fiber looks dope. And for those who might not know, you guys see the acid green right there? Yeah, plugged with the watch and everything. It says E-Hybrid. This is the Panamera Turbo S, but with a hybrid component to it. So it's gonna be as fast as a 918, basically. That is the quickest sedan on earth. Oh, the i8 is dope. This is a new wrap. I'm the i3. It's such a dope wrap. Is that an M5 right here? What's so dope about the M5?
Basically, you're getting the acceleration of a base turbo, 911 turbo, but then all the bells and whistles that you get in a modern BMW sedan.
This is a beautiful interior. Holy shit.
Don't worry, if you haven't driven, the car hauls butt.
It holds butt.
Yes. Being PC.
Let me help you guys. Holds motherfucking ass. That is fucking beautiful. What's that blue? This is Golf Blue? Oh yeah,
It reminds me of something. I can't put my finger on.
I am a fucking idiot. You know what? We're gonna take this out of the video. And then look at the...
And that's our old parts delivery truck.
Oh, that's dope. This is the original 2RS Farghini. The manual one. Well, pretty much every GT2 from back in the day, because they have a lot of power on the rear wheels, all of the weights back there, they're all Widowmakers, because these cars are dangerous. When they snap, very few people can control them. Obviously a manual transmission on it. This is king.
What do these go for right now? Do you know?
450 to 500 grand.
Would you take an old one or a new one?
I mean, you want to get the fuck out of here. Federico's going with a convertible right off the bat. What does he have to know about this car right now, Mel?
This chassis is freaking amazing.
What chassis? I'm a beginner.
Oh, the suspension on this car is amazing.
Oh,
Yeah. So it rides, it's rigid, so there's not gonna be a lot of fucking around.
Talk to me like an idiot.
Okay.
He's not an idiot, but you gotta talk to him
This
like
car's got so much control. If you're driving and you want to do something, trust me, the car can do it.
Last real quick. Are girls gonna like it? Are the seats water splash proof? That's key.
It's very important to know.
crucial. All right, perfect.
There's some other jokes there, but I'm gonna leave it out.
Damn it, Mel!
So what we'll do is we'll go up here, and then at the light we'll make a right. You can make another right. And that light you can just put down.
Love it.
Okay?
Great.
Basically on a track, you're as fast as a Corvette.
Yeah.
But you have a lot more class, and you're not driving a Chevy. Woo! And then brake all the way hard. Harder. The brakes on this car are beyond whatever you could possibly need.
Yeah.
What did you like about it?
It's got
I can smell. By the way, can you smell Federico driving?
I hit the brakes. Like I hit the brakes hard.
That's because I kept on yelling at him. I was like, okay, pedal down, all the way. Now hit the brakes. No, harder.
Yeah.
He told me it's entry level, but fucking entry level's up here.
Yeah, of course, that's a Porsche.
That's what I'm trying to explain.
Yeah.
That's what we're explaining.
Engineering
Yes, Mel. Yes.
Jesus Christ. Okay, so this is going to be our base 911 drive.
Yeah.
A little comparison sports cars. Then after this, a GT2 RS. Okay.
Right on.
You just left them frozen, here.
If Farghini was a hot Persian girl, which his half is,
What half? The bottom
He would
half?
love it.
he acts like it.
He would love it.
Can you see me on this? Like, get in out. What's up?
I'd get in immediately. I'd immediately get in.
You're a whore.
Holy shit. Damn.
So when the light turns green, make sure we're clear and just swamp it. Have some fun. Again, when it turns green though. Please. I gotta go home to my wife.
I'm like-
in one piece.
Holy shit.
Woo! Woo! Brake hard. Harder.
Wow. I've never felt something this smooth.
It's a refined experience.
I have a question for you, sir. Would you like some tea bags?
Not everyone knows what a tea bag is. It's not a tea bag until you do this with it.
And they fall in your eye.
And it ends with a creamer.
What do you think, seriously, between the two cars? What was the biggest takeaway you noticed?
I mean, the performance on this is ridiculous.
That is an amazing car,
Yeah.
but this is a nightmare. Yeah.
By the way, he's got a great smile, and they've been talking a long time. That's a good.
Yeah, that's a good sign, actually. You're right, Fargini.
Mel's getting another $200-300 out of him.
He hated it.
He hated it?
Just kidding, he fucking loves it. Bro, this is crazy. This car's insane.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
So compared to the other Boxster, what were the differences that you noticed?
You mean that pussy there?
Wow! So do you like it for real?
Yeah.
The power.
What did you like about it? What did you like about it?
Dude, I've never felt something that smooth, that powerful.
Like for everyday driving, you get to drive it every day. You can go to the office
That's
without
actually
thinking
like
about
me.
it.
Smooth, but powerful.
There we go.
Wow.
This is the car that I should technically get for my work,
Yeah?
so I probably won't get it.
Yeah. I love seeing Farshad struggle. He's struggling with every single button in this car right now.
This is a much more luxurious experience.
You're liking this, aren't you?
I might be responsible for once. Hey, this is an elegant car.
It's
Very elegant.
It's like you, like yourself.
Shit, man. Fuck.
It's a really classy car. It's really classy.
I gotta step it up so I can buy two of them.
He likes the car and then he goes, fuck. Look at moves.
I just drove the 911, bro. That one. The 911, I'm a little scared though. I'll be honest.
Oh, really?
Like it scares me a little bit because it's so fast.
Go, 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 go.
Hold on. Okay, go. Oh, it's so slow.
So, Federico, from your experience, which one's gonna get more pussy? This one or the Boxster or the...
That's my
Oh, the 911. Or the Boxster, because it's convertible.
Exactly.
You got a convertible Porsche? Let's go.
Exactly.
Hey, the girl's gonna tell me. I don't like the performance in the vehicle.
Are you going the right way? Do you know where you're going? I love how you're a fucking pro at this.
Hey, I know Norwalk. Take it easy.
I know my Norwalk. Do you really know Norwalk?
No, I don't.
So Fargini's been bothering me nonstop about the new Hellcat that's coming out, the red eye. So I told him, I'm not gonna buy a red eye. You go get your own red eye. And then he did. And Federico did too. These guys got the red eye.
Hey, weren't you guys hanging out together last night?
Yeah, well, and also, hang on, face each other. It's
Oh,
the
yeah.
same side of the eye that's red.
Get out of here, you asshole.
Here we go, everyone. There was a mix-up before. I thought Federico had driven the i8. He has not. So that's an i8, Federico.
Can these drive without charging them? You can drive without charging them. Will it take like a lightning cable to charge?
I don't think that's the case.
No.
The thing is, we use turbocharging, so the new fast charge stations, but a lightning cable, no.
No. And also, you cannot stream DVDs out of this one. You
Cannot?
Sorry, Fargini.
Nick, I have another question. Yeah. Can I charge my phone with this?
No, it's the weird thing about getting into this car is that it has like this thing that comes up even further than the actual top of the car. Get in there.
So you gotta get your head in here
I did.
and then get in there.
So I'm not getting in this. So I
No,
can't,
no.
I
There's
cannot.
no way you can do this.
Federico, if you find it a little bit too hard to get into this one, they have another model you can get into. Very easy to get into.
You're such a piece of shit, Fargini. This is the way to do it.
Hey,
Hey,
spot you here.
no.
You got it?
Drop your ass always in and then your feet. That's the way to go,
Once you're in,
homies.
it's
That's
off.
the way to do it.
Once you're in,
Look
your
at
money.
you sexy beast.
Now how do you go in reverse? Oh,
There you go.
The camera is recording.
Okay, perfect. Here we go.
Let's go.
You know that we're all on electric mode right now.
Yeah,
You can't hear anything.
yeah. It's like a fucking Prius.
That's right. That's right.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Oh, you hear the engine now?
Eso no es motor.
No, that's
No
fake.
mames.
That is coming in from the speakers. And it drives nice, right? It's easy.
It drives smooth. Actually, like very
Surprised
soft.
at it. Yeah.
Just a pain in the ass to get in, but once you're in,
Once you're in, you're staying in. That's it. You can just move in. Hey, you can sell your own house and just live in the car. Oh. Wait,
There we go.
Farghini would do it.
here we go.
Hey man, don't be a bitch. Farghini would do it.
Vamos. Brakes?
The brakes are good. The acceleration's not the fastest car.
Yeah. The 911 I would have been.
Yeah,
The next street.
Yeah, already.
That 911, bro.
That's the one you like the most?
You know what? I wasn't against the Boxster either.
Yeah.
Because it's the convertible.
Uh-huh. But the 911's got that extra hump power.
It got the hump. I like the convertible too.
It's really nice. And the interior is the
I'm
same.
like, I don't know. Right now I'm
a little torn.
torn. That's the right word. And the Panamera is just elegant, dude. Elegant.
It's elegant. It's got that Porsche badge. So
Yeah.
girls know what's up.
Got the Porsche badge.
You know, you put it against any house, anywhere, and it looks dope.
Yeah, the Panamera looks.
And you can fit two more girls.
Yeah.
In this one, you can fit one on the back.
And if I get the occasional client that rides with me, the occasional one, they
Yeah.
fit them.
Of course. Back here? Or in the Panamera?
Not here, not here.
You just shove them there. Shut
Yeah.
the fuck up. Just get in there. So Buddy's a big fan of the i8, for example. Buddy's a big fan. He just came back. What do you think? What would you tell someone that's a big fan but it's never been in an i8?
It was different. I didn't feel the pull I was feeling with the Porsches, with the 911.
of course.
It wasn't as aggressive.
Not at all.
Correct.
Not at all. And it's really slow and the sound is fake, but he didn't
It's
notice.
cool that it's very smooth,
Yeah.
very smooth, and it has a lot of stuff I don't think I've ever seen in my life. All this technology. I felt I was in a spaceship,
Yeah.
which was pretty cool.
Yeah.
You know? But with that said, it had some challenges.
Why
Yeah.
can't they do in performance on something that looks like
They
this?
will. They will. Okay, so we're walking in right now, finance office, so we can get
This
numbers.
is the time where you get disappointed. Go, baby.
This is-
This is appointment time.
This is disappointment time for everyone. Farghini's the king of it.
Yeah, this is where you find out. This is where you find out your money doesn't stretch to the power that you're looking for in a car.
But that's why you have friends like Farghini to negotiate.
There we go.
That's not a good one. We're just getting back home right now. We sent everything to Federico that he needs. All of the quotes, all of the payments, all of the everything. So now hopefully he'll make a choice, fingers crossed, and he'll buy whatever. I am rooting for the 911. Federico, it's pretty good price. It's really well priced. So either way, Federico, up to you right now. I'm very excited. Thank you very much for letting us do that. And thank you very much, guys, for just putting up with understanding how busy we are and all the stuff that we need to do and that we love doing this. And we'll see you later. You're hot? Maybe take off your fucking T Clifton. What do you mean you can't? Take it off. Take it off.
Full on suit. Let's go.
It's the look.